Welcome to Europack, your complete industrial packaging and manufacturing solution. Europack is a leading provider of wooden pallets, known for our innovative designs and exceptional durability. Our pallets are designed to meet the needs of a variety of industries, from logistics and warehousing to retail and manufacturing. At Europack, we offer a wide range of wooden pallets designed to meet various needs. Our categories include paper pallets and reusable collar pallets, lightweight and eco-friendly options for various applications, plywood pallets for packaging and plastic pallets for the pharmaceutical and food industry, CP pallets, Euro pallets for the packaging industry, two-way pallets and four-way pallets, ideal for export packing, ensuring secure and efficient transport, hardwood pallets and molded pallets, termite-resistant press, metal pallets, robust and long-lasting, perfect for heavy-duty applications. This variety ensures you find the perfect pallet for your needs. Our team of experts is always available to help you make the right choice. We provide guidance and support to ensure you select the best pallet for your requirements. Now, let's delve into the specific products within each category. For paper pallets, we offer honeycomb paper pallet, disposable and honeycomb paper pallets, paper pallet with plastic pallet. In the reusable collar pallets category, we have multi-stacking and collapsible reusable pallets, reusable collar pallet. For plywood pallets for packaging, we provide plywood pallet for packaging fruits. Our plastic pallets for the pharmaceutical and food industry include plastic pallet for export, plastic pallet for warehouse industry, injection molded pallet, roto-molded pallet, plastic pallet for automobile industry. The CP pallet, chemical pallets category features, CP1 pallet, CP2 pallet, pinewood pallet CP3, CP4 pallet, high-strength wood pallet for heavy load, pinewood chemical pallet CP5, CP6 pallet, chemical pallet 6, CP7 pallet, wood pallet CP7, CP8 pallet, wooden pallet CP8, CP9 pallet, CP9 wooden pallet. For the Euro pallet category, we offer Euro pallet for packaging industry. Our two-way pallets include two-way pallet, wooden pallets for export packing. The four-way pallets category features four-way pallets, wood pallets for export packing. For hardwood pallets, we provide hardwood pallet, the molded pallet, termite-resistant press. Wood pallets category includes presswood pallet, molded pallet, wood pallet made by hydrological press. Our metal pallet category features galvanized metal pallet, MS pallet, corrosion-resistant metal pallet, highly durable metal pallet. Conclusion: the Europack difference. Europack is committed to providing top-tier wooden pallets. We understand that your goods deserve the best protection. Our use of high-quality wood combined with our range of options makes us the ideal partner. Contact us today to discuss your pallet needs. Experience the Europack difference. To order or any query, call us on +91 98 200 90775. Visit our website www.europackpackagingproducts.com, or link is in description, or mail us on info@europackpackagingproducts.com.